Open Chrome. Go search bar and search Generate Favicon. Select Favicon.io website. Scroll down. You can make favicon icon from photo, text, emoji. You can see the design of your favicon icon from here. You can go to the text and type the first letter of the name of your website or channel. Choose your favicon icon design, circle or square. Choose the font variant of your favicon icon. You can change the color of the text with the font color. You can change the background color of the favicon icon from here. You can set everything according to your choice. You can download your favicon icon by clicking on Download. Open My Computer. Select Download. Select Download File, click right bottom and click Extract All. Now your favicon icon is ready. If you like the video, then please like, subscribe, comment and share.